Episode 3, Grocery Shopping with Family. Title, Grocery Shopping Conversation, Daily English Speaking Practice. The Sharma family is at the supermarket, pushing a shopping cart and looking for groceries. Dad: All right, everyone. Let's be quick. We just need the essentials. Mom: Yes, I've made a list. Let's start with vegetables. Harry, can you get some tomatoes and onions? Harry: Sure, Mom. Picks up the vegetables. These look fresh. How many should I take? Mom: Get 6 tomatoes and 3 onions. Ananya, looking at a shelf: Mom, can we get strawberries? They look so juicy. Dad: That's a good idea. But check the price first. Ananya, reading the label: It's 200 rupees per box. Should we get one? Mom: That's a bit expensive, but all right. We'll take one. Harry, can we also buy some yogurt? I love eating it with fruits. Dad: That's a great combination. Pick a small pack of Greek yogurt. Ananya: And what about snacks? Can we get some chips? Dad: We'll get snacks, but only if you pick something healthy as well. Ananya: Okay, I'll get some nuts and yogurt too. Mom: Good choice. Now, let's go to the grain section. We need rice and flour. Harry, pointing at a sign: Hey, Mom, there's a special discount on cooking oil. Should we get it? Mom: Let me check. Oh yes, this is a good deal. Let's take 1 bottle. Ananya, excited: Mom, I saw my favorite chocolate on the shelf. Can I get one? Mom: Just one, Ananya. We don't want too many sweets. Dad: All right, let's get bread, milk, and eggs, and then we're done. Harry, reading the list: Oh, we also need some spices. Mom: You're right. Let's get turmeric, cumin, and black pepper. Dad: Okay, time to check out. Everyone, did we get everything? Harry: Yes. Let's go to the billing counter. Ananya: I want to help pack the groceries. Mom: Sure, Ananya. Let's pack everything neatly. Dad: All right, team. Let's head home.